So you're thinking about buying from Covelamps in 2026? Let me give you the quick and dirty truth before you hit that checkout button. First off, Covelamps is raising a lot of red flags. According to the latest consumer alerts and market data, they're considered a high-risk online retailer. That means, if you buy here, you may just be rolling the dice. Why? Let's break it down. For starters, there are barely any positive independent reviews out there. I'm talking about real feedback on sites like Trustpilot or Hello Peter, not those suspicious 5-star reviews you see on their own website. Big yikes. And here's the kicker. Covelamps fits the classic dropshipping or bait-and-switch scam profile. Think super cheap prices, but what you get, if it even arrives, might be a knockoff or straight-up defective. Shipping delays? Yup, sometimes over 2 months. Import taxes? Surprise! Those can hit hard when your package comes from overseas. Now, let's talk warning signs. If you see countdown timers screaming 50% off, this week only, that's a classic pressure tactic. And if the contact info is just an email or web form with no phone number or real-world address, that's a red flag waving in your face. So, is Covelamps legit? Honestly, the trust factor is seriously low. But before you buy anything online in 2026, here are my quick tips. 1. Always check the About Us page for real details. 2. Stick to protected payment methods like credit cards or PayPal. And 3. Google the shop name plus scam before you spend a cent. Forums like Reddit are gold for honest reviews and delivery horror stories. Bottom line, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Stay safe out there, and don't let FOMO empty your wallet.